Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable SMB1 protocol in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on Turn Windows features on or off. Now scroll down, there's an option called SMB1. Make sure that it is checked and then expand it and make sure that everything inside it is checked. Click on OK and wait for it to be enabled. Okay, so this is how you enable the SMB1 protocol. A lot of Windows experts advise against this because it exposes you to the threat of ransomware. So this is the thing. I mean, how do we what do we say, disable it in that case? So search for Windows features once again, scroll down to it and make sure that it's unchecked. Just uncheck it and click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.